Motorcycle showcased 10 premium scooters and motorcycles for the Indian market. One of the first to launch could be the Honda Rebel 500 and Rebel 500 E-Clutch. There's a bit of hodgepodge on the news about the upcoming Rebel 500. Regional Big Wing website listed a price list of 5.5 lakhs ex-showroom. That's a new report sheds a light on the pricing strategy, suggesting that the actual price may be well less than the leak price by regional big websites. Upcoming Honda Rebel 500 prices were sort of leaked ahead of its formal launch. A recent report suggests it could cost way less than the previously speculated prices. As per this report, the Made in India Rebel 500 will be priced more aggressively to get a greater momentum this time when compared to the initial launch in 2025. Last year, the Rebel's price of 5.12 lakhs and leaked prices from regional Big Wings website suggested they could be priced at 5.5 lakhs. Compared to pricing of last year's imported CBU, this year Made in India Rebel 500 will attract a much better price tag. It could be priced well below 5 lakh rupees mark, which is a tempting proportion for the parallel twin liquid-cooled low-slung textbook cruiser. Honda is introducing the Rebel 500 E-Clutch variant as well. With E-Clutch, the riders can choose between operating the clutch manually and letting the system do it. This allows the clutchless start and rides, providing more comfortable and effortless in city. Manual override of the system is possible at the rider's will. Both Honda Rebel 500 and Rebel 500 E-Clutch are textbook cruiser offering. They are powered by the same twin-cylinder engine. Rebel lineup offer low seat height and relaxed riding position. The 471cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine is capable of producing 46 bhp of power mated to 6-speed gearbox. With Rebel 500, Honda is taking the likes of Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, Kawasaki Eliminator and others. For India, it may get a circular TFT screen seen on the Rebel 300 showcase recently. For context, the 2025 Rebel 500 in India had a basic LCD cluster.